In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to duplicate a SharePoint list in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. From the main dashboard of your SharePoint list, you'll find the Export button in the top menu bar. Let me show you where to click. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Go ahead and select Export to CSV. Perfect! Now we need to head back to the main panel by clicking the Home button. Once you're on the home screen, look for the New button at the top of the page and click it. From the menu that appears, select List. This will let us create a new list in your SharePoint account. You'll see several ways to create a list. Click on the From CSV option. Now click Upload File, then browse to find and select the CSV file you just exported. This is the file that contains all your original list data. Take a moment to review the column data to make sure everything looks correct, then click Next to continue. Here's where you'll give your duplicated list a name and add a description if you'd like. When you're ready, just click Create. And there you have it. Your SharePoint list has been successfully duplicated with all the data from the original. That's all there is to it. You now know how to duplicate any SharePoint list whenever you need to. Thanks for following along.